Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. We are Group 3 from MBCS 24048 for the subject of Enterprise Programming CSC584, and we will be presenting our project topic, a car rental system. This presentation has been prepared for Sir Muhammad Izan Shafiq bin Abdul Aziz. The car rental system has been developed over 2 months with a strong team of 4 members. Each member has their respective tasks. AMIRULL ASRAFF, as a project manager, your core responsibility is to oversee the project from conception to completion, ensuring it meets market needs, stay on a schedule, and remain with budget. SAZILA BINTI KUSHAIRI, as a system architecture designer, your primary role is to craft a robust and efficient blueprint for the car rental system, ensuring it's well-structured, secure, and capable of growing with the business. NORSYUHADA IZATY BINTI KAHAR, as a software developer engineer, your key role is to build and maintain the technical core of the car rental system, ensuring it's user-friendly, efficient, and integrate seamlessly with essential service. JUNAINAH binti ZULKIFLI, as a quality assurance QA analyst and tester. Your key responsibility is to ensure the car rental system is bug-free and meet quality standards by crafting test strategy, conducting and thorough testing, and documenting outcome for improvement. Before continuing with the presentation of the car rental system, our team has created a promotional video about the car rental service system. The car rental system is a web-based application designed to streamline and automate the process of renting vehicles. It provides a user-friendly interface for both customer and administrator, facilitating efficient management of rental service. The system features include user registration and authentication, vehicle search and selection, and booking and reservation management. The system aims to enhance efficiency and user satisfaction in the vehicle rental process. With a robust feature set, secure architecture, and a user-friendly interface, it addresses the needs of both customer and administrator, providing a reliable and scalable solution for car rental business. There are usually problems for administrator as well as customer with the traditional car rental process because it is a labor-intensive manual documentation and prone to error. Both the customer and administrator will find it difficult to find and reserve the rental car, and it will be difficult to manage both customer reservation and vehicle availability at the same time. Without a centralized platform that easily connect rental provider and potential customer, the car rental business is fragmented and inefficient. The goal of a car rental system is to develop a web-based system to address this problem. The car rental system is to provide both customer and administrator with easy-to-use interface, hence enabling a more efficient and transparent car rental process. The objective is to streamline the rental car process, making it easy for customers to find and rent the suitable vehicle and for administrators to manage their reservation system on their own. Here we list 6 specific objectives include: number 1, user-friendly interface, develop an intuitive and easy-to-use interface for both customer and administrator to enhance overall user experience. Number 2, efficiency enhancement, streamline the car rental process to make it more efficient for customer to find, reserve and rent vehicle and for administrator to manage the reservation process. Number 3, Simplify rental experience. Simplify the overall rental experience, eliminating complexities in the booking, pickup, and return process for customer. Number 4, enhance database management. Provide administrator with feature to efficiently manage the data, include adding, updating, and remove data from the system. Number 5, transparency in booking. Ensure transparency in the booking process. Allow customer to access real-time information on vehicle availability and rental detail. Number 6, optimize reservation handling. Implement automate reservation system to replace manual processes, reducing error and enhancing the speed of handling reservation. Alright, now I will present the flowchart for a car rental system, which consists of two processes. The first one is for customer and second for administrator. The flowchart on the left represents a process that a customer would follow when making a reservation, perhaps for a service or an event. It is paired with a text description on the right that details each step in the flowchart, which is labeled work process. Here is a step-by-step explanation of the flowchart. First, start. The process begins here. Second, first-time user. The flowchart asks if the customer is a first-time user. If yes, the flowchart process to customer register. If no, it move on to customer login. 3. Customer register. This step is for new customer to register. 4. Customer login. Return customer will log in using their username and password. 5. Enter reservation detail. After login, the customer enter all the necessary detail for their reservation. And 6. Make confirmation. The customer is prompted to confirm the detail they entered. And 7. View reservation invoice. After confirmation, the customer can view the invoice for their reservation. And 8. Log out. After viewing the invoice, the customer log out. And 9. In. The signifies the in of the process. The work process tag on the right explain that the system will check if the customer is registered and prompt for login or registered as appropriate. After the login, the customer enter reservation detail and confirm the information. An event in invoice is generated which the customer can review before log out. Thus complete the reservation process. The flowchart presents a sequence of steps an administrator would follow in a car reservation system. Here is a step-by-step explanation. First, start. This is the initial step where the process begins. Second, administrator log in. The administrator log into the system using their assigned username and password. This step is crucial for security purpose, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access the system. And 3. View reservation request. Once logged in, the administrator accesses the system to review the reservation request made by customer or user. And 4. Process reservation request. After reviewing, the administrator processes the reservation request. This might involve confirm the availability of car, allocate a specific vehicle, setting reservation date, and possible communicate with the customer. And 5. Update car inventory. Following the process of the reservation request, the administrator update the car inventory. This is to ensure the inventory reflect the latest quantity and availability of car after the reservation has been made. 6. View reservation invoice. The administrator then view the invoice generated for the completed reservation. This invoice likely detail the reservation term, the car detail, the period of the reservation, and the cost. And 7. Log out. After complete the necessary tasks, the administrator log out of the system, which is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. 8. In. This denotes the end of the process. Each step is clearly connected, indicating a linear process that the administrator follows from the beginning to the end of a typical car reservation management task.
Assalamualaikum and good day. Entity relationship diagrams, or ERD, are used for describing and defining data models. The data models as components, entities that are connected to each other by relations that express the dependencies and requirements between them. In our project, our group decided to make it into four tables, which is cars, users, roles, and reservations. So let's see the relationships between cars and users. Before that, I want to tell you that is ID is the primary key. This entity is name, plate number, models, availability, renting price, colors, types. User ID is the candidate key. Image name, image size, image path, create 8 and update 8. So the relationship is one to many, indicated by the lines with a fork at the end near the user entity. This implies that each car can be associated with one user, likely that one who last booked or it is currently renting the car. But a car user can be associated with none, one, or many cars. For the user tables, ID is the primary key, username, email, and role ID is the candidate key. So a role is a table for authentication for user and admin to log in the system. So the relationship is many to one, indicated by the lines with the fork near the rows entity. This means that each user has exactly one role, but each role can be associated with many users. So let's see the table of reservations. So the reservations ID is the primary key. User ID and car ID is the candidate key. So the ERD between user reservation is one-to-many relationship indicated by the lines with a fork at the end near the reservation entity. Each user can have none, one, or many reservations, but each reservation is associated with exactly one user. Let's see the relationship in cars reservation. It is one-to-many relationship indicated by the line with the fork at the end near the reservation entities. Each car can be a part of none, one, or many reservations, but each reservation is associated with exactly one car. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome to Car Rental System, your ultimate car rental solution. We built a user-friendly interface system providing a seamless experience. Alright, let's get started with a new user by clicking are you a customer or create a new account. So user will show the system will show to the user a short form with which is user need to fill their full name, username, email address, password, and confirm passwords. So let's say we create a new user. Thank you, Hasanat. Hasanat. And the username is Hasanat. Hasanat at gmail.com. And the password is Hasanat at 2024. So we see Hasanat at 2024. So we double confirm the password. So by clicking the register button, oh sorry, the password and confirm password not match. So we create Hasanat at 2024. So let's see the password, confirm password. So this is the error when a user not the password and it is not a match on the confirm password. So here I have typed the true password. So by click the register account button, so user will get the registration successful. So I click the user that we have created earlier. So as if I just click the wrong password, so the error will show the invalid user or password. So we get the true password. So we show the password. So by clicking login, user will get through their system. So let's see on the left of this system, user it will provide it show the it is show navigation button, navigation bar, and this navigation bar will explain by our team member NORSYUHADA IZATY. So let's see the right of this corner on the system. So this is the full name of the user, and by click the icon of this picture, it will show a sub button which is get profile and logout. So we click the profile. User can update their phone number. So let's say Tengku Hasanal update his phone number. So his address is 32 of Pahang district, land. So this user or customer can upload their image by clicking choose button, source button here. So let's say this customer has updated his their profile. So by clicking update, profile update successfully will show in this page. So we try to log out. All right, we will go to the main page screen. So let's say the user forgot uh, his password. So the user will type his password, his email first, and make a new password. Let's say okay. So we see the confirm password. After user fill this form, just click the reset password, and the password reset successful. So user can go through again the system by by type the new password. So let's see. Oh, I gave the wrong password. I'm sorry. So let me see. Okay, try to log in. So there we go. User can get back uh, their their profile again. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.
For customer, the first menu is catalog. In catalog, customer will find a list of available cars with images and description. It only displays cars available for rent, showing details like name, model, type, color, and daily rental price. This makes it easy for customer to choose before making a reservation. Moving on to the reservation form menu, this screen streamlines the process by automatically displaying customer details, eliminating the need for manual entry. Customer only need to select the car from the option provided, specify the exact pickup date and time, and also indicate the return date and time. As you can see here, the system then automatically calculates the duration based on the field dates and present the total of payment derived from the car rental per day multiplied by the selected duration. Before submitting the form, customer have the option to review the terms and conditions outlining basic rental rules. After reviewing, they simply tick the confirmation box and click the submit button. After a successful submission, a success message will show on the top of the screen and they can view back the reservation in the reservation list screen. Next is the reservation list. On this screen, customer will find a table listing reservation made in the past. Each entry has a view button. Click it to see the details. The view screen displays all saved data from the reservation, including customer information and car details. Customer will find a section for reservation information and another for detailed car information. Next, customer will notice invoice button at the bottom. Clicking on it opens up the invoice template where customer can view all the relevant data in a structured format. This invoice can be saved electronically or printed for customer reference or as a evidence for the rental process. Back to the reservation list menu, there is another button which is delayed. Customer click on it and a pop-up will appear. It will ask for confirmation either to proceed with process or not. After deleting, a success message confirming that the reservation have deleted will be shown on the screen. When customers have completed all tasks in the system, they can log out by clicking on their name at the top right of the screen and selecting Logout. A confirmation pop-up will appear giving them the option to proceed with the logout or not. After confirmation, customer will be redirected to the login screen. If a customer attempts to use the browser back button, they will be prompted to log in again as access to the page is restricted to the authorized user only.
Assalamualaikum. I will continue my team presentation and present about administrator role. First, we start with administrator login. We key in my ID, SAZILA.KUSHAIRI, and we start with the wrong password first to see what happened. To show invalid user and password. Now we key in the right password. Click login. Here we can see administrator page. We have dashboard, user management, administrator and customer, product management, car list, reservation management, reservation list. In dashboard, we can see sum of earning, there is total payment 304,420, total available car 7, total application is the booking listing 10 listed, and pending car return there is 2. We also have option for profile for admin also. Here we can edit phone number and address. Try edit the phone number and the address. And we also can upload an image. We click update. It will show profile update successfully. Now we return to user management. We start with administrator. In administrator list, we can see username, full name, phone number and email, and also the status. In here, we can add administrator. Only the user that have ID to access the website can add the new ID for administrator. Start with add. Key in full name, username, email address, and the password. Click save. It will show administrator added successfully. Then we return. Click add back. We also can edit this registration ID. We can edit the phone number. And the address. Also can click active or not active. And we click update. It will show administrator updated successfully. Go back. And next, we also can delete this registration administrator list. We click in deleted. I sure want to delete this admin. Click delete. We show administrator deleted successfully. Now we go to customer. In this list, in this page, we can see last customer list. It will show username, full name, phone number, email address, and registered date. This is a list of all customers that is registered. Next, we go to product management. Car list. In here, we can see car listed. We show name, plate number, model, price, availability, and also can add a new car. We start with a new car. We type name. For example, Honda CR-V. Model. Type. Number plate. Color. Availability. Available or not. Available. The rental price, and also can choose to insert the image. Click one, this one. Okay, now we click save. We show car edited successfully. We go back. Also can edit this record. We edit. We can change the color blue and we update. We show car updated successfully. Now we back. We also can delete this record by click delete. I show want to delete this car, delete. And here the record has been deleted. Now we continue with reservation management. Reservation list. Here it will show customer record, car, name, pick date, return status, and total payment. And here we can view the invoice and the summary record. Click at the first line here. Here we see reservation ID numbers and this reservation information, customer detail, Nur Hidayah, car detail, BMW, and the colors and also the number plate and renting price. So in here, we also can view the invoice. We click at invoice. We show here the invoice and the total payment. And we back. For the return that is status unknown, admin can also click the return car. So we click in here. And we can see here same information. And we click at return car. It will show return car updated successfully. It will reflect and dashboard. This pending car return is 1. Go back to reservation list. In here, we also can delete this record. Click this deleted confirmation. You should want to delete this reservation. We click delete. Reservation deleted successfully. Then the last one, we go log out. Ready to leave. Click log out. And we try to go back. Cannot go back. So that's all. Thank you.